Hi, this is part 2 of the Roulette Manager configurations tutorial. Now that we have collected some data using the manager, we are going to use a simulator to simulate this data, changing the configurations in order to calibrate the app. So first, we are going to change the configurations a little bit. Let's go to a medium risk, save changes, and let's see now with the simulator. Remember that the move number was number 3. That was the session number. We're going to process the move number 3 with the new configuration to see the results. Okay, now we see that the earnings is a little higher. Okay, one thing that I wanted to see here is to see the dozens and columns to play a little more, because it wasn't play as much as I wanted. So let's go back here. And again, I cannot see the dozens and columns appearing that much, so I wanted to calibrate that a little more. So notice that there is a new move created now. The simulation that we have made is now saved as a session. Okay, so we use number 3 to create number 5. I already created a number 4 before. Now let's see. We're going to go back here and we're going to make a little more changes here. So we are in medium, right? But we wanted to make some advanced changes to these configurations. So the problem is that the dozens and columns is not playing as much as we wanted. So we need to make some changes here. I will keep this one to 6. That is for evens and colors, and I will load this one a little more, like let's say to 3, so it's going to be more sensitive for dozens and columns. Saving and going back. And make again with the move number 3, we're going to make a simulation with the new configuration. Let's have a look now. Okay, as you see, the earnings are even higher now. Okay, so let's navigate again backwards and let's see the situation here. Okay, as you see, there are a few more bets on columns right there. Yeah, right there, you can see some. So that's very good. You have some more bets on columns in dozens. So I'm happy with that, and the earnings are pretty good. Okay, so this is what we can do here, but not only that, actually we could also change many other things. Going to personalize, for example, we could make some other changes, like going to bet on the 0 option. Remember, let's make a bet on the 0, minimum bet, save changes, and we are going to see the simulation. And to do that is easy as type in the move number. That will be the session number that we have made, the original one, right? And we're going to process again with a new configuration, and this time we are betting on the 0-2. Let's see. Okay, so now the earnings are a little bit lower, okay, but we are well protected. So depends on you if you would like to place a bet on the 0 when there is a big stake on the table. We're going to leave it betting without the 0 for now. And as you see, you can make any changes here and simulate it. You can change these numbers, for example. As I told you, I prefer this number higher and these other lower, but let's just try the opposite now, just to see what will happen if we go for the opposite way. So that one then will be number 1. I'll set it to 1, and this one 6. Just missing this one. Let's simulate the move number 3 again with the new configurations, and let's see what's happened. Okay, so the earnings are pretty good, not as bad. We're going to navigate backwards using the buttons here. Okay, so there you go. This is all you can do using the simulator. You can make any changes, and using the number of the session that you have played in the casino, you can simulate it using the new configurations.